As you remember the cupcakes, now it's time to make the ice cream. So I started with some spackling, as well as a 36-inch balloon and a quick tube from Lowe's as my base. And my cone blew up my balloon. Thank goodness for this machine, because I do not have enough air in my body to blow up this huge balloon. I'm going to try the paper mache method for the first time. So I'm using glue, newspaper strips, water, and salt. You can also use flour, but again, this was my first paper mache project, so I decided to go with the glue. Started off really slow. I was kind of nervous because this is my first time, and I'm like, what if it doesn't turn out? What if it doesn't harden? But you just have to trust the process. So I went ahead and put my newspaper strips on top of my balloon. Again, I was a little nervous, but once I got the hang of it, it went pretty easy. You have to make sure your newspaper is soaked as well as hardened. First time using a saw, you guys, I was so excited. I was so excited. Went ahead and cut my quick tube in half, and here's a picture of my balloon after I paper mache'd it. Ropes from the Dollar Tree for my base of the cone. There's my quick tube, and boom, here are my ropes. Went ahead and hot glued those on. Paper mache'd the quick tube and used a random cardboard for the rim. So I wanted to paint it. Used paint from the Dollar Tree, but the paint took forever. And I was gonna have to use several coats to cover up the newspaper, so I went ahead and spray painted it. I cheated a little bit. My spackling was pink. Added a little bit of white as well as the color pink paint. I used this to give the texture, and then went ahead and painted it with pink paint from the Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby, but one or the other. Used gaps and cracks for this look, as well as the top of my balloon for the whipped cream. And then painted it just so I can match my balloon to give it that ice cream look. This is a really fun project. Kind of long, but fun. Different. I enjoyed it overall. And a little glitter for on top of my ice cream, and then cherry on top. And quick picture, and there you go. So follow me for more.